G'day and welcome to the WaterUps Square Planter instructional video. Before we begin, you will need a small but sharp knife and a small amount of water. To comfortably assemble the planter, you will need less than 1 square metre. Taking the parts out of your kit, you'll have an inlet pipe, the WaterUps wicking tile, and a short overflow pipe, and finally a 2-litre bag of perlite. Taking your knife, identify the circle that needs to be removed. Once the circle has been removed, take the inlet pipe and identify the 3 tabs. They'll coincide with 3 holes in the tile. Line them up and apply a small amount of pressure. Identify the overflow pipe and remove the nut and washer. Decide what position you would like the inlet pipe to be at. In this case, I have chosen the opposite side to the overflow. Take note of the corner and direction the overflow pipe will need to be connected. Clip into place from the underside. Place the WaterUps wicking system to the bottom of the planter and feed the overflow pipe through the hole. Replace the rubber washer and tighten the nut. Open the 2-litre bag of perlite and pour some water over it. This will ensure that the perlite does not blow away. Distribute the contents of the bag evenly into all 4 feet of the wicking cell. Once complete, you will need 2 25-litre bags of good quality potting mix or planting soil.